The cast of I, Me or Main came together to launch its first look. John Chitrangada and Prachi Desai calling the film an interesting drama that's out to redefine romance in a unique way. Here's more.
His dad is Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, the first man who went into space. And so the first time, one of the reasons why I signed the film also was I wanted to meet his father, and I've not yet got a chance to meet his father. I don't think I'm the most attractive guy. But I think it's important to know that it's important to love yourself. Office में सिर्फ लड़कियाँ काम करती है because I think women are more conscientious, harder working and more loyal, so more responsible and more beautiful and fabulous. I think the biggest positive thing about men is that we don't know how to lie properly, and honestly, men don't know how to lie. I promise you that. जी झूठ बोलते आया हूँ मैं. I've lied throughout my life, and I've got caught also. So I'm not the most perfect man. I'm in fact the most imperfect man.
Have you ever dated two girls at a time in real? Be
Can you
true.
repeat the question?
Sach bolna.
No, when I was young, I probably bumped into the dark and just saw someone, but I never really dated two girls at the same time.
I was tired of playing 10 years beyond my age. I love the roles that I've played so far, and I know that they're important to me. But I think there comes a stage in everyone's life where you need to do something different.
Saw the video, and they said, wow, Chitrangada looks hot, John, regular, whatever. But what happened to Prachi? Kya hua? She's turned it on. For all the men, I'm sure every day is Valentine's Day. Am I right or wrong? And the men are like, yeah, whatever.
So, John, according to you, only money makes women happy?
Oh my God, you took it personally. I was just...
I think mostly girls do. You know, the Mills and Boone stuff. I think that's like really like the biggest disservice that we do to ourselves is probably buying those books and believing in all those things. But yeah, I think it's still lovely. The thought of it is really nice. Yeah.
Women like 50 Shades of Grey now.
I'm not so mushy anymore. And yeah, like flowers don't please me, and a candlelight dinner doesn't really excite me that much anymore.
Wish all of you a very happy Valentine's Day. And the guys too, because I'm doing Dostana too.